how to unlock with fingerprint and setup on Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Security and Privacy. After click on Security and Privacy, click on Lock Screen and enter your phone PIN. Click on Continue. And you will see fingerprints is here. Click on fingerprints and click on continue. If you want to set up fingerprint, and click on register and click on screen, you will see enter your fingerprints here. And you will see click on done. Go back to home screen. So that's how you can unlock with fingerprint setup on Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.